how to sign in to Peacock using Xfinity. So, first of all, you can only do this if your Xfinity does have Peacock. So, in order to access Peacock, you're gonna need an eligible device. So, you could go ahead and make sure your Xfinity is eligible by just looking for Peacock or the app itself. But once it is, or if it is, you can go ahead directly to the app itself. So just go ahead to your Xfinity and navigate to your apps of your home. And you can also just go ahead and call for Peacock if you do have voice command. But anyways, to sign up for Peacock, you can go ahead and choose the get offer or sign in once you are inside the app. So I just choose whichever, since when you press OK, which is center of the directional pad on your X1 or Sumo Streambox or Flex Remote, your email address on your Xfinity account will come up. So it's gonna be like this. So choose an email to share with this app so you can use their service. Then you can press on whatever email you have if you have different options. So once you've decided, it will go ahead to this next one, which is basically a confirmation of your email. Then press on OK. If you did choose the different or enter a different email, this will pop out into your email password to sign up for Peacock and basically put in extra information about yourself. Once both of those are done, then press on next. Once you do that, you would pretty much be already signed up to Peacock using Xfinity. You can manage your subscriptions inside the app itself. You can change your plans, unsubscribe, but that is how the process will work. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.